Welcome to VibeHub, the virtual meta world driven by the cryptocurrency vibe. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to build an asset bundle for an avatar and upload it to the platform. The first thing you're going to want to do is bring in the VibeHub SDK. Next, you're going to want to import your avatar model. Once that's imported, let's go ahead and select that model, and in the inspector under rig, we want to make sure your animation type is set to humanoid. If it is not, select humanoid from the options and click apply. Once you've applied the humanoid configuration, let's go ahead and bring the model into the scene. Once the model is in the scene and you have it in view, let's go ahead and apply the materials to the model. Alright, perfect. Now once you've applied all the materials to the model, you want to make sure that you have an animator, and we want to go ahead and create a prefab of this robot. So let's go ahead and create that prefab. We'll drop it right down into the assets folder. Alright, once we have that prefab, in the bottom right corner in the inspector window, next to asset bundles, we have a drop down menu. Let's go ahead and click on that, and we'll click new, and we're going to name our asset bundle. So let's go ahead and call this robot 1 and press enter. And once the asset bundle has a name, we're ready to build our asset bundle. So click on the asset button up top, and we want to go down to build asset bundles and click on that. Okay, as you can see, we have an asset bundles folder now. Let's go ahead and open that in the Explorer. And here we are, robot 1. Here is your asset file, and you're ready to upload to the platform. So let's go ahead and move over to the platform. Once you have your avatar asset bundle and your thumbnail picture ready, you're ready to upload your avatar asset to the website. Navigate to VibeHub.io in the browser. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken directly into your profile. If not, you want to go ahead and sign in with the sign in button in the top right corner. Once in your profile, you want to click on the asset button up top, and then we want to go ahead and click on create a new asset. Under the asset type, we want to select avatar from the drop down menu, and we want to give our avatar a name. So we'll call this robot 1. And then we want to go ahead and fill in a description for this robot. Now we want to navigate to the location where our asset bundle is, and that should be in your project folder under asset bundles, and we want to select that file. Then we want to navigate to the location where the thumbnail is, and we want to make sure that's a JPEG also. Now we can select whether this particular avatar will be public and available in the marketplace, or whether it'll be private, which means only you're able to use the avatar. In addition to that, if the avatar is public, you can put an amount that people would have to pay to use it if it were in the marketplace. So for instance, you can leave it at 0 and it would be free for anyone to use, but if you wanted to put it at 1 Vibe or 2 or whatever the amount is, this is where you would place that number. Once you have all this information filled out, we want to go ahead and click on the create asset button. We're going to give it a second. And here we go. Now robot 1 is showing under your assets and is currently available for you to use in the hub.